There are two sides to every circuit. Line side. Control side. Components on the line side of the circuit will receive a higher voltage, for example, 230 volts. Components on the control side of the circuit will receive a lower voltage, for example, 24 volts. Components that receive less voltage, like a 24 volts coil, will be placed on the control side of the diagram. Components that receive higher voltage, like a 240 volts compressor, will be placed on the line side of the diagram. A ladder diagram will have all components on the line side of the circuit between two vertical lines labeled L1 and L2. L1 and L2 represent the two poles on an AC power supply. L1 and L2 provide power to the components on the line side of the circuit. The control side of the circuit will not have lines for L1 and L2. The control side of the circuit will be below the line side on the diagram. A transformer usually marks the separation between the line and the control side. The picture to the right shows the control side of a ladder diagram. It is important to note that the two sides of a circuit are not separate systems. The line side and control side refer to components that receive power from different sources. A component can receive power from both the line and control voltage. This is common with contactors or switches. The 24 volts control voltage can energize the coil within a contactor. The switch within the contactor may reside on the line voltage at 240 volts. For example, in the diagram to the right, the compressor contactor, CC, has components on the line and control side. You can see that there are contactor switches labeled CC on the line side, and coils labeled CC on the control side. Both symbols are a part of the same CC but receive different voltages.